When adding elements to your slide, you have to be careful with layers and how you position each element accordingly to the other ones already present on the slide. So let's add a form and a shape to demonstrate how layers work. We added a new element. We can resize it in a variety of ways, but also we can rotate it. For example, we would like it to be 90 degrees to the side. We also get the synchronizations between the elements and how they get positioned and when they are properly positioned to each other. And now we can slide this here. And as you can see, it covered the buttons and the icons and other elements. From here, we can take it down. And as you see, the other elements start to emerge. Also, it got down on the sequencer. The sequencer shows the order of the layers as they are on the slide. So we continue to move it down, and now the buttons emerged as well as the other element. And this element is now almost on the bottom of the slide. We can move it one more time. And now it's the element that is on the bottom. We can return its position a bit and adjust it accordingly. Maybe this one. But we can do a shortcut to the bottom or to the top so that you can quickly navigate and move different elements. There is an alignment option that you can use as well. You can change the alignment of the element. There is a transparency setting as well, and you can make it as transparent as you want it to be. Rotation, color, and whether it's visible or not under this resolution. You can choose to hide it, and now it's hidden, or leave it like this, and when you change the device, to hide it for any other device, but just for this view. As you can see, it's still here in the other ones, but we can choose to deselect or select it and hide it under different resolutions and views.